Hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani does art and I'm Chandrani. As you know, I'm a digital painter, I'm a vector graphics artist too, and I'm a children book illustration artist. In this tutorial we will learn about how to draw a human face in semi-realistic way. Here I will show you the sketch. Just follow the sketch, okay? Grab your paper, your pencil or tablet, whatever you have in front of you, and just focus on what I am saying and how I am doing it. I have explained each and everything step by step, so stay tuned and do practice it, okay? So draw a circle, then make a vertical line at a little left center portion. Then draw a horizontal line too, just at the middle point of the horizontal line. This will be the face angle. That means we can understand where my character face is looking, okay? Then try to draw a shape which will be the face shape, the jawline and the cheek. Now at the bottom part of the circle that we previously made, draw the eyebrows just like a curved line, like I'm doing. Now below that line, try to draw the eyes, but for now try to make simple horizontal oval shapes and make the upper lines longer to show the lashes. Then we will draw the nose. It's simple, just follow the steps like I am doing, a little straight from the start, then move the line on an angle that try to make it triangle without the bottom line. Now lip time. Try to make a curved line at the middle part of the face shape, then add the lip. Now the hair. As it's a black character, so I'm keeping her hair simple but cute and modern. Alright, for color choosing, never ever select the extreme raw color. It will ruin your artwork. Always try to choose color from the middle part of the color box, like from red, reddish orange as the base color, like I am adding. Then try to add shades. If you are being confused about color, you can pick simply the darker version of your base color. Like if you are choosing pink color for your base color, you can add a light darker pink for your shadings. Now start to add highlighting on these areas. Add some finishing touches, and here we go. Our human face is ready.
This was all for today. I hope you enjoy my video and have learned something. If you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have learned something and if you are new, please to subscribe my channel. You can follow me on Instagram too. I have shared my Instagram link on the description below. Please check that. And I will be back on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.